Hi, I'm Adrian Cobo, I'm 26 years old and I'm one of the new volunteers here in Zdravo. I was born in Granada in 1997. I grew up in a town near Granada called Cenes de la Vega, which I studied and I spent the first 18 years of my life until I went to the University of Malaga, where I graduated on journalism. Then I started my professional career in a technological center in Burgos in the north of Spain, where I later became a member of the editorial staff of Cadena SER, the biggest radio station in Spain, at the Burgos station. Where my contract ended, I started working as a freelancer in radio production projects and the Spanish Journalists Association. Also, I have had different projects related to audiovisual media. One of them is my podcast about baseball, which I started it 3 years ago, and in a few months I will start a new season, the fourth one already. The time flies sometimes. We are currently the most listened baseball podcast in Spain, so it's a good data to give you. One of the most projects was a creation of another podcast, baseball podcast, called it Bases Robadas, which means in Spain stolen bases, which is a baseball stat, and we oversee that for 5 seasons, and also we were the most listening podcast in the baseball Spanish world baseball podcasting. Another of my biggest past projects was the publication of the American Football Guide with a well-known podcast called Road Running, where we publish 5 annual draft analysis magazine from which we raise about 20k euros for charity. As for my work here in Zdravo, I will be responsible for the creation of podcasting here for the association, also the publication of the monthly magazine, of course. I will also make some videos and some content for social media, but the most important thing is for the next year I'm going to be part of the Zdravo community, which I hope to learn a lot about the city, the region, the country. Improve my language will be nice because you see it's a little bit rough, and also I want to learn as much Croatian as possible to integrate myself in the country. I hope to see you as much as possible during this year, and we will meet. I hope we will do a lot of activities as possible. See you. Vidimo, Zdravo.